I bought some skincare products that I regret purchasing. Let's talk about it. The first product that I have is this product here. It is a sunscreen that comes highly recommended by some influencers, some professionals. This is the Dermatology Universal Tinted Moisturizer SPF 46. This didn't work for me. Every time I tried it, I always ended up with dry skin. So this is a no. Don't nobody want dry skin. I know I don't. This is the CosRX Vitamin E Vitalizing Sunscreen. This right here is moisturizing and it's good. It does not dry out my face and I enjoy using it. This is my replacement for the dermatology. Moving right along to the next product that I regret buying. This is a product from Ordinary. It is a vitamin C in suspension with hyaluronic acid. I think 2% hyaluronic acid, 23% vitamin C. Now, I tried to make this product work. I really did because I actually like it, but I got frustrated with a few things about this product. Number one, the packaging. You hear that? As I shake that, you can hear that liquid. So if you don't know when you're picking up this product for the first time that it is liquidy, you're going to be upset because I was. Okay, I wasn't expecting liquid. When I saw on the box that it says it's a water-free, silicone-free, stable suspension, then I knew that it's probably a lotion type product, but I wasn't expecting it to be watery and runny. That's number one. So to me, it's not really in the best packaging. It probably should be in a dropper bottle. At least that's what I think. Now, when I got it and I started using it, I realized that it's very runny. You see that? Very runny. I don't like that. The other thing about this product, it doesn't seem to mix well or play well with other products. Have you ever put something on your face and you put another product on and it starts peeling and rubbing off? This has happened to me a lot with this product. There's an issue with putting a moisturizer on after. This ain't it. It probably does work, but I don't like the packaging and I don't like that it doesn't play well with other products. The vitamin C that I replaced the Ordinary vitamin C with is this one. Exuviance Empower. It has 20% vitamin C. It comes in a capsule. This is how it looks. I am very pleased with this product. Pop the cap, twist the cap right up here, and squeeze out the goodness. It's like a moisturizing cream, but of course it has vitamin C in it and it's kind of strong. So you have to be careful how you even apply it to the skin. When I apply it, I just rub it lightly and move it along my skin. This was recommended to me by a lady who works in Ulta, and I have no complaints about this product. The next product that I have is a product from Derma E. It is an anti-wrinkle eye treatment. I bought this from Vitamin Shop. It was actually 50% off. It has retinol, grapeseed extract, and reishi mushrooms. I don't dislike this product. I dislike the false advertisement. Here's why. I bought this because of this reason. It says on the side of the box, our luxurious eye gel cream is uniquely formulated with retinol to reduce fine lines and all that good stuff. But the key word is that they say that this right here is a luxurious eye gel cream. Let's take a look at it, shall we? This is the product here. Derma E, I think they lied. They false advertised because I don't know of any gel cream that looks like this. It's more like a serum. You see how it's running down my hand? Where they make gel it like that? Where they make gel cream it like that? I've never seen a gel cream look like this. What they should have named this is, it should be a serum. And it's not even in the right packaging. It says, gently squeeze a small amount of product out of the applicator tip. Apply around the eyes, including the lids. Use fingers to smooth until absorbed. This to me looks like a lip balm bottle or applicator, whatever. And I'm expected to squeeze a little bit of this out. How do you do that? On your fingertips? Under your eye? If you do put it on your eye, it's going to run down your face. This is not the best packaging for this type of product. It's watery. Then it has the little beady bead things in here that they say they have. But when I got this, I was shocked. I was expecting a gel cream. It's not a bad product. I have used, but I regret buying this because I didn't get what I thought I was getting. I thought I was getting a gel cream eye treatment. That's what I thought. Derma E. It's my understanding that this used to be a cream. What happened? I replaced that with the Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Eye Cream. This is something that the same lady who recommended the vitamin C to me, she recommended this one. And I've been using it and I have no complaints. Moving on to the last couple of products, which are moisturizers. These are products that I I had high hopes for them. I wanted to use them. I wanted them to work for me, but they just did not work for me. The first moisturizer that I have is this product from It Cosmetics. It's called Confidence in a Cream, and it is for all skin types. So this is the cream. It reminds me of the Weleda product, the Skin Food. It even smells like it to me, but it's more subtle. But it actually looks like it if you take a look at it. This product was actually burning my skin, and I didn't realize that this was the culprit until I did not use my retinoid. When I put this on, my face was burning. And I said, wait a minute, hold up. Why is this burning my face? I know I didn't use no retinoid cream, and the retinoid that I have, it is not that strong. So I'm thinking, this must be what was burning my face. And I thought it was the retinoid cream that I have. This has niacinamide, it has ceramides, and it has hyaluronic acid, peptides, and squalane. It has some good stuff in it. And I wanted to like this so bad because it feels so good on the skin. But this caused my little skin to burn, and so I had to take it back. So instead of using this as my night cream, I got something else to replace this. And here it is. It is the Belif True Cream Moisturizing Balm. And this has the ceramides, the peptides, the squalane. It has everything that this has, I think, except for the niacinamide. But I have not had any issues with this product burning my face. It actually feels so good. I don't have to use a lot of it, and I love it. The next moisturizer that I have is one that I had that I would use after I finish this cream. So I had one waiting in the wings because I knew that I would just use this up and I would need something else. I decided to try First Aid Beauty. It's called Firming Cream with Peptides, Niacinamide, and Collagen. I actually like the texture. It seems to be pretty thick. But once you get it on your skin, it's not thick. But that's not why I don't like it. I actually like that about this product, that it appears to be thick and heavy, but it's actually not. What I don't like about this is that it doesn't play well with other products. So when I put this on after having put on, let's say, a serum or something, then what happens is it starts peeling. There's another thing that I noticed about this product. It's drying on my skin. I use this mainly at night. And you know, I'm trying out the new face, trying to stick with the routine, and I'm doing pretty good. What I actually was doing was leaving the aloe vera gel on my face and then coming in with the cream and put that on, and I would call it a night. But I noticed that I was waking up in the morning, I was feeling this residue stuff like was on me, and I said, well, maybe that's the gel. So what I'll do is when I do another new face treatment and I use the aloe vera gel, I'll rinse it off and then I'll use this. That should work. Still didn't work. This was peeling from it, and also I would wake up and my skin would feel dry. And I don't usually wake up with a dry face. My face usually feels soft and supple because I've used a pretty good cream the night before. But this would always leave my face dry. It would be peeling off. This is going back to Ulta along with this product too. Those are all the products that I have purchased that I regret buying. And you've seen the replacements that I have for those products. I didn't think it was right for me to come on here and tell you the products that I regret buying without sharing with you what I've replaced them with.